Hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Lantu a Bike Factory. We are a professional electric scooter and electric bike manufacturer from China. Today we're going to take a close look at our brand new model Eagle. In terms of safety and riding experience, this scooter adopts front and rear disc brakes. It is fitted with LED lights and supports pedal assist function. Let's start with the power. This electric scooter is equipped with a powerful 1000 watts motor, bringing you strong acceleration and great climbing performance for daily commuting and city rides. Equipped with a high-performance 48 volts 20 Ah lithium battery. Stable power supply supports a maximum range of 40 km per full charge, ideal for daily city riding. The whole vehicle is equipped with full LED lighting system. Bright LED lights deliver excellent visibility at night, greatly improving safety during dusk and night riding. It also comes with an LED display supporting NFC function, so you can conveniently unlock the scooter using an NFC card. It is a reliable electric scooter built for city commuting. If you are a distributor, reseller, or looking for bulk wholesale, feel free to contact us for catalog and price list. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more new electric bicycle models from Lantu e-Bike Factory. Leave your comment below if you have any questions about the Eagle. See you in our next video.